Hello, I wanted to try and recreate a unicorn cake that I found on YouTube. I'll leave you the link below of the girl that did it because she's absolutely awesome. She's from the US, and I basically watched her video and wanted to try and create the same sort of thing. Obviously, I'm nowhere near as good as her. This is the first time that I've ever attempted to do it, but this is my outcome, and we did this for my niece's birthday. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, please. And I'll leave the link for her unicorn cake because obviously she is the professional, but I wanted to try and do this for my niece because I knew that she loved unicorns, so that's why I went ahead with it. So here is how we got on. Right, so what you've got to do is take it in the piping bag and then pop it in like this.
Which one is it you want, really?
The cheaper MDF one.
Where is it?
It's the smaller one out of the three. What's wrong? What is?
Daddy, just chum.
Oh dear.
You just chum.
That's funny.
It's good. Oh!
Right, we don't need... Careful! Don't get in front of the camera because I need to film. I need to be filming, so don't get in front of the camera.
Look, this is what we use. And Mummy
Don't lick it! Don't lick it. Or else I'll put your head in it.
Oh, not
I'll
my...
put all your head in it. Who's this cake for? You're going to tell everybody?
Okay. She's a cheeky so-and-so.
Ain't that?
Right, it's ready in 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I can do the first layer.
Can we put these upstairs with you?
Yes,
What is
Is it all
this?
This is sugar syrup.
I don't like this.
Why?
Just don't.
Careful, you're in the way of the camera. You're in the way of the camera.
Can I squeeze it?
Yeah, you're in the way of the camera, right. Not too hard. Go on.
Around in a
Oh.
circle. Oh! Oh! We got nearly up the edge.
Oh.
We're nearly up the edge.
Yeah, we need more on the edge than we do elsewhere. That's it.
Oh no! Missed a bit there. I missed a bit everywhere.
There you go.
No, I'm there.
Oh.
I'm there. I'm in the...
For this part, I just piped around the edge and then I wanted to put a little bit of jam in with this buttercream and I smeared it in the middle. Now, I did put too much in. I shouldn't have put that much buttercream in, but I believe that if you put that piping around the edge, it actually stops it from seeping. I did have a little bit of seepage because I used a little bit too much jam, but this was my first time of doing it. And obviously, you've got to learn by your mistakes. But here I go with the third layer on top of the cake. And I have to say, it did taste absolutely delicious. But yeah, the third layer is going on now. Oh shoot, I put it on the turntable. Where's my turntable? There, can you get my turntable off? Okay, so what I'm wanting to make now is a unicorn horn. And I've never done this before, so I'm just going to go off something that I've seen on YouTube. And also talking with my friend Evie. I've also got to make its ears as well. Now she said when you get it out of the packet, now corn flour is what you should put on your, but only a little bit, only a sprinkling. I don't know what a sprinkling is, so I'm going to say, is it that much? Or is that too much? Oh, see, this is where I'm a bit useless. There we go, that's a dab, isn't it, that? Right. And then I've got to get it out of the pack. And I've got to really mush it around in my hands so it's soft and pliable. Okay, now I don't know whether this is going to be the entire horn. So this is my finished unicorn cake. So I showed you putting the second layer on, and then I've piped all the rosettes, which I'm going to do in another vlog for you because I had to do it really quickly last night. And then I've shaped these, as you saw, out of icing, made the unicorn horn. Now, I've used a product, where have I put it? In my kitchen, hang on. And this is different to what a girl used, because I've seen this on YouTube. And I've used a paint, a metallic light gold. I don't actually rate that because, can you see, it's now starting to come off. And you can't leave it for a layer and then go back to paint. So if anybody could give me a tip to use something that's better than that. And then I've sprayed all over it with gold, which means that the eyes have gone slightly gold, but I don't mind that. And then I'm making a cake stand to go on it. This, obviously, you saw I just put on a massive kebab stick. These are put on cocktail sticks, and I've used edible glue to put that together. Very, very important that you use edible glue because that won't stick, and you need to leave it in the fridge overnight for it to take. So that is my finished unicorn cake. That's the first time I've ever done it, the first time I've ever done any piping, but there are mistakes. So on the top, it looks fine, but round the back, I haven't got it on my, I'll just turn around here. If you can see, it's gone a bit sloppy round the back, and that's because my buttercream I didn't leave to harden in the fridge. So a little bit disappointed about that, but the top has turned out fine. So as long as they don't turn the cake around, I'm gonna be fine. I do want to do one more rosette there, which I will do because I'm doing roses on another cake today. But really chuffed with that because I really thought it was going to end up looking like a very drunk unicorn because this top is higher than the back, and I've had so much palaver. Anyway, this is for my niece because her birthday was on Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and give us your thumbs up, and please, any cake decorators, give me as many comments as you possibly can of how I can become better. I would love to know where I've made my mistakes, what I've done wrong, and where I could achieve better, and what is better to use than that. I'll see you tomorrow.